Hey everyone, welcome back to Stimulus Scope, your go-to place for updates on CPP, Os, GIS, and all things related to retirement in Canada. If you're a senior close to retirement, or helping a family member understand their benefits, you're in the right place. Today's video is very important because Service Canada has just made a major change. They've updated the federal pension payment dates. So if you or someone you know receives CPP, Os, or GIS, this update affects you directly. In this video, I'll explain what's changed, why it's happening, how it might affect your finances, what you need to do right now to prepare. Make sure to watch till the end. I'll also show you how to check your new payment date, what to do if it's late, and how this might benefit, or challenge, some Canadians. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an important update. What's changed? Starting this month, Service Canada has changed the payment schedule for CPP retirement and disability CPP survivors pension Os payments GIS top-ups. Before, most people got paid on a specific Wednesday at the end of each month. Now, Service Canada has switched to a staggered payment schedule starting next month. This means your payment date will now depend on where you live in Canada. So instead of everyone getting paid on the same day, your deposit might arrive a few days earlier or later, based on your postal code, your bank, and processing times. Why the change? According to Service Canada, the reasons are to reduce pressure on payment systems. Over 8.5 million Canadians receive these payments every month. The old system was getting overloaded. To avoid delays around holidays and weekends. In the past, if a payment day landed on a holiday, seniors got paid early or had to wait longer. That caused confusion and budgeting issues. This new system should make payments more reliable and predictable. What the new schedule looks like: here's what we know so far. Payments will now happen over 3 to 5 days instead of one specific date. Some provinces will be paid earlier. For example, BC and Alberta may get payments before Ontario or Atlantic provinces. Banks matter too. Some banks process deposits faster than others. Example: under the old system, everyone got paid on July 27th. Now, someone in Vancouver might get paid on July 24th, while someone in Toronto might not get theirs until July 28th or 29th. How this affects you: if you pay rent on the first, have auto pay bills live on a tight weekly budget, then even a small delay can cause problems. That's why this change is important. And while it should get smoother over time, there might be some delays at first. What you should do: mark your calendar. Service Canada says the new payment window is between the 21st and 28th of each month. They haven't released an exact schedule by postal code yet. Check your next payment date. Log in to your My Service Canada account at canada.ca/myaccount, or call their toll-free line, 1-800-277-9914. Build a small emergency fund if possible. Set aside $100 to $200 to cover bills if your payment comes late. Reschedule auto payments. Move bill dates a day or two later, just to give yourself a buffer. How to check your payment date? You have 3 options. Online. Use your My Service Canada account. By phone. Call 1-800-277-9914 and follow the prompts. For your bank. After the 20th of each month, check your bank account to see when the deposit arrives. If your payment is late, wait 5 business days, then contact Service Canada to request an investigation. FAQs, quick answers. Will this delay my pension permanently? No, you'll still get paid every month, just possibly on a different date. Can I get paid earlier than before? Yes, depending on your region and your bank. Does this apply to GIS and CPP disability? Yes, all federal pensions now follow this new schedule. Is this permanent? Yes, Service Canada has confirmed this will be the new standard going forward. What if I don't use online banking? You can call Service Canada or ask someone you trust to check your account for you. How this could actually help: if it works as planned, this system should reduce holiday delays, ease bank system overload, improve payment reliability. But during this transition, communication is key. So please share this video with parents, grandparents, or anyone who depends on these benefits. Help them stay informed and prepared. Wrapping up, I know changes like this can be stressful, especially when they impact your income. But staying informed and planning ahead is the best way to stay in control. We'll continue sharing updates as more details come out. If Service Canada releases a full regional payment schedule, I'll post a new video with that info. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and your loved ones, and I'll see you in the next video right here on Canada Pension Guide. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Stimulus Scope, your trusted source for the latest updates on CPP, OS, GIS, and everything related to retirement in Canada. If you're a senior nearing retirement, or you're helping a loved one manage their benefits, this is exactly where you need to be. Today's video is extremely important and time-sensitive. Service Canada has just announced a major change. They've updated the federal pension payment schedule. That's right, if you or someone you know receives CPP, OS, or GIS, this change directly affects you. In this video, I'll walk you through what's changed, why it's happening, how it could impact your monthly finances, and what you need to do right now to stay on track. Make sure to stick around till the end. I'll also show you how to verify your new payment dates, what to do if your payment is late, and how this change might actually help, or hurt, some Canadians. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a critical update. Let's dive right in. What's changed? As of this month, Service Canada has changed the payment schedule for CPP Retirement Pension, CPP Disability Benefits, CPP Survivors Pension, Old Age Security, OS, Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS. Previously, payments were made on specific Wednesdays near the end of each month. Not anymore. Starting next month, they're moving to a staggered payment schedule. That means your payment date may now depend on where you live. Instead of everyone across Canada getting paid on the same day, payments will now be rolled out regionally. So for example, someone in British Columbia might get their deposit a day or two before someone in Ontario or the Atlantic provinces. Why is this happening? According to Service Canada, there are two main reasons. Reduce pressure on the system. Over 8.5 million Canadians receive federal pension payments monthly. The previous system was putting a huge load on the processing and banking infrastructure. Avoid delays due to holidays. If a payment date landed on a weekend or holiday, seniors had to wait longer, or sometimes got paid early, which caused confusion. The new system is designed to be more stable, reliable, and predictable. What the new schedule looks like: here's what we know. Staggered release window. Payments will now be issued over 3 to 5 business days instead of all on one day. Regional rollout. Some provinces will get payments earlier. For example, BC and Alberta might be paid before Ontario or Atlantic provinces. Banking differences. Your financial institution may also affect how fast the money appears in your account. Let's say it's July. Under the old system, everyone might expect their pension on July 27th. But now? If you're in Vancouver, you might get paid on July 24th. In Toronto, it could be July 28th or 29th, same benefit, different dates depending on your location. How this affects you: if you rely on that payment for paying rent, auto-pay bills, groceries, or medication, then even a 2-3 day delay could cause a problem. That's why this change matters, especially for those living on a fixed income. While Service Canada says this will eventually improve reliability, some hiccups may happen during the transition. What you should do now. 1. Track the new window. Mark your calendar. The typical payment window now falls between the 21st and 28th of each month. But there's no detailed schedule by postal code yet. 2. Check your payment status. Log into your My Service Canada account, MSCA, at canada.ca/myaccount. Then click on Payment Information. Right pointing arrow, View Payment Dates. 3. Set up a small emergency buffer. If you can, keep aside $100 to $200 as a cushion in case your deposit is delayed. 4. Adjust auto-pay dates. Move bill payments a few days later if they're set to come out the day you usually get paid. How to check your payment date: here are 3 ways. Online. Log in to MSCA at canada.ca/myaccount by phone. Call Service Canada's pension line at 1,800,277.9914 via your bank. Check your mobile banking or bank statement after the 20th of each month to see when funds arrive. If your payment doesn't show up, wait 5 full business days, then contact Service Canada to file a missing payment report. Frequently asked questions. Q. Will this delay my pension permanently? A. No, it only changes when during the month you get paid, not if you get paid. Q. Could I get paid earlier than before? A. Yes, depending on your location and bank. Q. Does this affect GIS and CPP disability? A. Yes, all federal pension-related benefits follow this new schedule. Q. Is this a temporary change? A. No. Service Canada says this will be the new standard going forward. Q. What if I don't use online banking or the internet? A. Call Service Canada or ask a family member to help you check through MSCA. Why this might actually help some people. If this system works as planned, it could lead to fewer delays around holidays, less pressure on customer service, more reliable monthly deposits. But during this transition, communication is key. Please share this video with your parents, grandparents, neighbors, or anyone who relies on CPP, OS, or GIS. Wrapping up, changes like these can feel stressful, especially when they affect your income. But staying informed and taking small steps to prepare can make a big difference. We'll keep you posted with updates as Service Canada releases more details. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you're all